Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add WooCommerce product categories to the menu. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for that, you will need to simply go to the appearance, and after that we can start modifying on our menus. So as you can see here with menus, and then you will need just to go to screen options, and from there you can start adding category. So as you can see, you can find here your menu structure, and there are some menu items as pages, etc. What we want is just to go, uh, as you can see, this is the menu settings, and you can add anything that you would like. So simply for the categories to be added, we will need just to go to the screen options, and from here you will find all the menu elements or the screen elements that you would like. For example, I want to remove the category, etc. And basically you will need just to click on save menu, and simply you will find or you will have the thing that you want to apply or to display. And now I'm just going back to my products, and simply we can find that categories are still here because we already have the categories, and you can apply this one or just enable them for menus or for depends on any menu that you are using. So for any menu here in your WordPress, you will need just to go to the screen option, choose the elements that you want to show, and you click on apply. And the same goes again for our appearance or menu here. And you would need simply to go again to the screen options and go for categories and make sure that to save menu, etc. So simply that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.